Okay guys, Sky here, 90 Degrees Restoration. We are back in Arleta finishing up the plumbing portion of the drain that we just replaced. The main drain line was, it showed you guys yesterday, was completely cracked. So we replaced that with ABS, that's finished. I'm gonna show you guys some video. I wasn't able to get here while my guys were doing that. I was on another job site, but I got some video from them, so I'm gonna just upload that so you can see what it looks like. And I'm gonna take you guys inside to show you the results. So let's go inside. So here is what's going on. This is the room. This is one of the bedrooms that they converted. And you can see right here, this is the cast iron drain line, and right there, can you see that? That's what was causing the backup, right there. So all this dirt had to be removed. Still digging. We're gonna change this out to ABS. This whole thing, which is about, what is that, 12 feet?
12 feet.
12 feet, we're gonna change that out to ABS, and then they won't have any more issues with regards to any backups taking place in the other areas of the house, like the master bathroom, toilets backing up. That was the culprit. Okay. Cool. So you can see all the work that's taking place. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's a lot of work to dig all that out. I mean, that's a lot of work the guys got to do, but it's stuff that we do. Again, we're here in Arleta, so another company came and they put in another clean out, but they didn't catch that particular portion, which happens sometimes. But nonetheless, we got that going. We should be done with this by tomorrow. Today's Monday, so we'll be done Tuesday, and then we'll put in the new floors, and yeah, the plant will be made whole again. So kind of a quick job, but it's a tedious one. It's a lot of work. Even though it's somewhat quick, it's still a lot of work. So just showing you guys some of the things we're doing. I'll keep you updated. Not a long post on this one, just kind of a short, quick video. But yeah, just a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll change that out to ABS. These older homes, you'll notice a lot of times, for example, in that room, it's actually cast iron, but then as you get to the city line or property, it goes into clay to the main. So that's very normal. The client didn't want to change that all out to ABS, and right now they don't have to. They're not having any issues with it, but that is something we offered, but they didn't want to do that now. But this is going to solve them from having any more issues and having to clean or snake out the drain line. This will solve that problem for now, and they'll be good for a little while. So anyways, Sky, 90 Degrees here. If you need any plumbing work, licensed contractors, plumbing, roofing, flooring, remodel work, this just showcases some of the things that we do. All right, we'll show you the update once we are done with this portion of the job. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks.